Friends, I'm Soris. Welcome to my channel. Let's draw something. What we can draw today? Today we are going to draw a squirrel and more pictures. First, let's know how to draw a squirrel. See? First, draw in your copy like I draw, and draw a nose here. Okay, big nose, and his eyes, this and that, and his mouth, which is smiling. Not here. Here it is the mouth. And his little ears side by side. Okay, friends. It's very fun to do. Next, we have to draw his body. Like I said, we have to draw its body round. That's why we have to draw this and a little bit small. That we can draw his big body. We draw stripes here. 4. And his hands. Just a big hands. No, that is not good hands. Let's draw all the things better. First, we have to draw this round and this. Okay, then his legs. Yeah. Then his bushy tail. It's a squirrel. Next picture. Friends, let's draw a bird. We have to draw this. We have to draw this. Wow, a bit bigger than it. Yeah. And this. Wow. His wings. This is the bird's wings. And the bird's mouth. Let's draw his tail too. Wee-coo. And the log where she's sitting here. And his legs here. Yeah, a bit smaller. His wings are his hands. See? A chip bird. Let's draw more pictures. What are we going to draw next? Next, we're going to draw a fish. Let's draw a fish. Yeah? Do like this here. And his tail, which help of his swim. Yeah. Now this big ear and this big. Okay. And we have to draw his lips. a big lip, and a small leaf. Bit funny. Wow, his eyes looks pretty. His eyes looks pretty. He has eyelashes on his eye because see, he's a girl fish. It's also have fins and scales. All fishes have scales. Boy fishes, grandma fishes, grandpa fishes. All fishes have scales on his body. That's why I am also drawing scales. Yeah, it's a very good fish. Yes, also another fin on it, up and down. Yeah, next picture. In next picture, we're going to draw a fly. Let's draw. First, draw this. Next, this. Okay. Yeah, it's okay. Draw pictures on your imagination. Okay? Not very fast. A bit slowly. We have to draw pictures. I have another channel going there. I give more picture drawings in there, and I give more read and write. In this channel, we shall only draw picture drawings. Okay? See, it's shark. Wow, bit funny. Yeah. Yes. Good. Yeah. And bubbles. Yeah. Bubbles. I love bubbles. Bubbly, 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 bubbly. Yeah, bubbly, bubbly, bubbly. I love bubbles. Bubble, bubble, bubbly, 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 bub. What? His mouth is not good. That's why we have to draw a good mouth and good teeth. That teeth are dirty and mouth is not good. The smell is bad on his mouth. Yeah. And good bubbles. Wow, it's a big shark. Yeah, it's a big shark. Next, let's see. Someone can draw dragon or not. I can draw dragon. So now I teach you how to draw dragon. Yeah. Fire speaking dragon. Okay. It's going to be very scary. Okay. It's a bit smaller. Okay. Snakes are small. Snakes also have sharp teeth. Yeah. We have to do fire. And this. Yeah, it's a fire speaking dragon. Yes, it is a fire speaking dragon. Let's draw a penguin. It's a penguin. This penguin is going to be a very interesting and very good drawing. Yeah. Yes, it's going to be a mommy penguin. Mommy. No, daddy penguin. A mommy penguin. Yes, a mommy. Friends, next is the penguin's hand. Mommy penguins have a big hands. Yeah. It's mommy, that's why he has also eyelashes. And he has a mouth. Tail. It is the penguin's wings. This is the leg, eyes, eyelashes, and a beak. And his tail. Look. Friends, next drawing is Milipede, the last drawing. Okay, it is the last drawing. It has 1,000 and 1,000 of legs. Little tiny. 1,000 of legs. Yeah, 1,000. Yeah, 1,000 of legs. Yeah, it's the eyes. Okay, it's the last drawing. Look at this, is the millipede stripe. You can count these stripes. But yeah, his stripes are good. This is the last drawing in this class. So, do you like my video? So if like, so subscribe my channel. Friends, do you want to friends, I think you enjoyed this class. So, do you like my class? So subscribe here in this red button. Today, Tata, take care of yourself.